These are some of the things that come along with freedom. There's that bird right there on the roof. She hasn't been home in a week. And see her tail feathers kind of hanging. I thought perhaps maybe she's injured and can't make it all the way home. Maybe she's injured and can't make it home. That's her brother visiting her. Naturally, I worry about her all the time. It could be a few things why she's not coming home. Oh, to make it worse, it was the past few days it's been windy, so when I was calling out her name, I didn't hear from her. So for 2 days I couldn't find her. And of course I just was sick to my stomach over it until I found her today. And I brought her some tangerines and some cheese. So she's on top of this house. I don't know whose house it is. Some guy opened up the door and he's like, "Can I help you?" And I said, "I'm sorry, my bird is injured. It's on your roof. And I'm sorry if I disturbed you." He was cool about it, no problem. When the guy went back in, I heard him coughing. And I'm like, "Oh no, the virus. Detta," that's her name, Detta, "get off this house, go to another house." But she went to another house and she's sleeping right under. She's sleeping right under the eave where that garage met the house, so I knew she was shielded from the elements. But I'm not sure if she's not coming home because of the injury, or I'm pretty sure she's looking for a mate and a flock. And her brother's the one on the fence and visits her every day. But these are some of the things that come along with keeping them free. You worry about them. Hello, that's my bird. Her name is Jessa. She hasn't been home in a few days. So I thought maybe she's injured. Can't make it home. Or she's talking, I think, with a bird nearby. And every day I check on her. I'll bring her food, water. She's in a different tree, but in this vicinity. And I think she's mad right now. Someone's playing rock and roll music really loud, and she can't hear the other bird. See, she's eating the pine cones. I know, Dad. Why is this music so fucking loud? Excuse my language. Hi, Birdie. I know. That's why they make the earbuds, dude. Of course, I worry about her all the time. But this macaw is much different than others because I have the mother and father, and they raised her. I did not interfere. As soon as she could flap her wings, her father took her on the roof and showed her how to fly. Just one time, that was it. We never flew with them again. So her biologically, her tele is telling her to find a flock and a mate. And she's probably really confused and doing just what she's supposed to do, I guess. Look for a mate. I need an adult male that can fly. Well, I don't know if she's talking to another bird because she would be talking right now. I need the adult male, I guess.